Hi everyone, this is Mr. Travis from the Edna Runner Center. I want to start off by saying thank you so much for your support in the year of 2024. We had a phenomenal year with our programs that we have, with the trade program, our literacy program, and also our new and innovative STEM program. It's because of you we can have these, we can offer these to our students and make sure that they have a quality education. Also want to thank our volunteers and our sponsors. Because of our volunteers, many of our students can read on grade level or are getting there. And because of our sponsors, we can run such great programming. I want to give a big shout out to those who gave to our Holiday Giving Fest. We had a wonderful Thanksgiving and we had a wonderful Christmas. Because of your donations, because of your support, and because of your time, we were able to give so many toys and gifts to our children here. We gave over 300 meals to our families during Thanksgiving, and we did even more for the holiday season. So with that, I want to say I'm looking forward to 2025. We have some great things in store, such as our wellness program coming up in April. So if you will, please join us and continue to support us. I wish you a Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, whatever you celebrate. But I want you to do something for me. Please come back in 2025. Bye-bye.